How to create Gmail account without phone number. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Gmail app. Here we go. If you're already logged in with an account, at the top right corner you'll find this icon. Click on it. Then click on the option of Add Another Account. Different options will appear. Click on the option of Google. Click on Continue. Click on this option of Create Account. You'll get two options, for your personal use or for work or business. Select the option that is suitable for you. Now you have to fill this to create your Gmail account. Firstly, type in the first name. Then type in the last name. After you fill this, click on Next. Now enter your birthday and gender. First, you can select the month. Then type in the day. Then type in the year. And then type in the day. Likewise, select your gender. Once you fill this, click on Next. Choose your Gmail address, or also you can create your own Gmail address. If you want to do so, click over here. Then type in your own Gmail address. After you are done, click on Next. Now generate password for your account. After you type in, click on Next. As you want to create your account not using phone number, what you have to do is click on the option of Skip. But in the case you want to link your phone number with your Gmail account, type in your phone number over here and then click on Next. But for this video, I'm gonna skip this process. Review your account info. Click on Next. Now go through the terms and conditions of the Google and then click on I agree. And just with that, you have created your Gmail account without using phone number. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily create Gmail account without using phone number. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.